mysterious force dragging me into the night. As the world is silent, something in me whispers softly, build tonight.
Walking away is not an option. I've tried to rest and let it be,
but my workshop in the darkness keeps on calling out to me.
It pulls like gravity, a force without a name.
Once you feel it in your blood, you're never quite the same.
The pull brings me back every single time, back into the glow, back into the grind. I cannot resist it, I don't even try. The pull is why I'm here, the pull is why I'm alive. Do you know the feeling when the noise in your mind goes still, and something inside you awakens that won't be killed?
Some might call it compulsion. It isn't something to be healed.
They have never felt the ecstasy when a dream becomes real.
I am free to create my world. The pull is what makes me stronger.
The pull isn't dragging me down.
It pulls like gravity, a force without a name. Once you feel it in your blood, you're never quite the same.
The pull brings me back every single